Hi, today we will finally talk about composing, or writing your own music. But you must be asking, what kind of music, what kind of composition? We will discuss composition generally, which means we will look into the same concept of writing music, the idea behind creating music, from the simple songs to a higher level, maybe even perhaps for an orchestra. Today I want to approach two issues, two questions that people often ask themselves when they're moving the first steps in the world of musical composition. These two questions are very regular for people who are just beginning. The first question is, when starting to write a song or track, does instinct prevail on rationality or is it the other way around? Which one of these two aspects overcomes the other? This is the first question which we will answer today. The second question is, how does one write music, actually compose music, we could say? Let's start from the first question. The first question is more about rationality and instinct in composition. We can start by actually saying that in the creative act, any creative act or form we can talk about, the instinctive aspect, we could say the irrational side, the wild side of things, is absolutely a vital part. It's absolutely important because art is inherently, in its own nature, it comes from the depth of the human soul. So we could say it comes from the irrational aspect, from the primordial instincts of a person. This makes it extremely important when composing music or when starting to compose music to let the instinct flow through freely. Let your irrational side show itself. The need to write music that a person can have is usually born from one's irrational side. We could say it stems from one's irrational side. It has the roots in the irrational side of a person. So it's quite essential that this side of things doesn't go unnoticed. Rather, it should be let free as freely as possible. You should let it flow through you and your mind as freely as possible.